Welcome to our YouTube channel, me Madan. Today again I am going to tell you about network sharing problem. Sometimes your two or more than computer will not show on network like this. There is no network, but I have connected more one network computer on my network, but it is not showing here. How to solve this problem properly? I will show you step by step and follow this one. Let's start now. First of all, we have to share our folder. How to share folder? I told you before and I show you how to share our folder. Just click on this one, Lumbini, and then right click on it, go on properties, go to sharing. You can see here network path not share. Just click on share here, everyone, add, read write, and then share. Now again completely down, advanced sharing option, click on permissions, all are allowed, and everyone also here. Click on add and then go to the advanced and find here and select here everyone, click on OK. Now everyone will be appear here, then click on OK, then OK, then OK, and then close. Now this is the first step to share the folder is now share. You can check it here, right click on it and click on properties. So here click on share. It's so here network path SP Lumbini. It means this folder is shared. Now go to the network and sharing center. Click network discovery on, find printer and sharing on, all network on, and passport protected off. Now everything is done or everything is okay. Just close this one and close this one also and close this one and go to the network. You can see here now nothing. Another step, just close this one. I'll show another step. Go to the Windows menu on Windows 11. It will comes like this and type here LOC local security policy. Click on run as administrator and then go to the local policy and go to the security. Just click it here and then choose here network security lane manager, network security lane manager authentication level. Double click it here, go to this option down arrow and select here. There are too many options, just you have to select send LM and anti-LM. Use anti-ML v2 section security if negated. Just click it here and then click on apply and then click on OK. After that just you have to close this one. Okay, now again we can go there and check it. Again there is nothing. Close this one, go to the third step, Windows button, type here SER service, click on run as administrator. Now search here TCP/IP net BIOS helper. Just double click on it. Go to the startup type, it's here manual. Just you have to choose automatic and then stop and then start. Now click on apply, click on OK. After that close this one, again go to the network, still there is nothing. Now you can check like this also. Go to the run and there is the another computer network path name, this one. Just type here opposite slash and then type the computer name and then press enter. It's take time. If there is password and type the password. If there is no password then no need to type password. Now he's asking password, still it's not working. Then cancel this one, click on OK, cancel, and then again go to local security policy, run as administrator, and then same option local policy and then security option, and you have to select here count limit local account use of blank password to console. Just click it on here and enable and apply and OK. Now close this one, again press enter, again same condition, still not working. The another method, now the last option, again go to the Windows menu and then type here local local group policy. Just you can find here local group policy, click on it here, just do like this and go to the local policy, Windows setting, security setting, local policy, security option, Microsoft network client. You have to search here Microsoft network client digitally signed. Just double click on it here and then here see, you can see here disable, click on OK. And another option, now minimize this one, finished. Back here and go to the administrative network, go to the low main workstation, low main workstation, low main work server, low main workstation. Just search here enable insecure guest logons. Just click it here, double click on it here and then just clicked on enable. Now click on apply, click on OK and then closed. Now we can check again in network, go here and refresh it. Still it's not working. Just I will make restart this computer. Now restart, computer is restarting now. Now this PC is restart. We can check it here now again in network. Just click on it here. Again it's not showing anything here. Just you have to go by run Windows and R and then just press enter. Now you can see here our sharing device is showing here, but it's not working. You have no permission to access. Contact your network administrator. Now this one is open and then user public. Now it's open. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Every way to share the computer, one computer to another computer, or if you have any questions or if you have any problems about this network sharing on Windows 11, please comment on my video and you can ask me any question or any queries. What about this video? Please, I'll bring another video. Please do not forget to watch.